The big news that we are getting for you at this point in time, viewers, is about Bollywood actor Govinda. We are getting to know that he accidentally shot himself. This incident occurred at around 4:40 a.m. this morning. According to reports, the investigation is underway and he has been admitted to the hospital. That's the latest update that we are getting for you. Shocking news we all got this morning about actor Govinda, who was rushed to a hospital earlier this morning after he accidentally shot himself in the leg due to a misfire from his own revolver. That's the initial piece of information that we are getting for you. The incident, we are being told, occurred at around 4:40 a.m. this morning while he was cleaning his own gun. That's the latest news coming in, and initial reports are suggesting that he has hurt his leg, and this is the reason why he was taken to the hospital immediately. And so far we have not really seen any statement coming in from Govinda's family or his PR team on what is the status update as far as his condition right now is concerned. Actor Govinda accidentally shot himself, and this incident happened at around 4:45 a.m. this morning. That's the big news that we are getting for you right now. Investigation is underway. Cops have begun a probe in this particular case, and we are also learning that Govinda's statement is going to be recorded soon. As of now, we do not have an official statement from Govinda's family or his managers about his current condition, Shivani as well as Nilesh joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Shivani, to you first, can you tell us what exactly is the situation right now? How is the condition of Govinda?
As of now, the condition of the actor is said to be stable, is okay. But the incident took place in early hours of the morning when he was cleaning his particular gun. But the question remains the same, that why was it completely filled with those particular bullets, and was it a routine matter that he used to clean that gun or that machinery with refilled bullets inside. As of now, his legs was something that got injured. Huge heavy loss of bleeding took place, and he was admitted to the hospital immediately by the family members, and the cops were also informed in the hospital, and that is when the probe has taken place now. It is being said by the doctor that the actor's situation as of now is stable, but he has lost a huge amount of blood, and that is why he's still under the observation of the team of doctors. Mumbai police has stated that they are investigating the entire case. In fact, one cops team is already at the spot, and another is recording the statement of the family members and house helpers, those were there at the spot when this incident took place. Actor's statement will also be recorded in a short while, is being informed by the Mumbai police sources as well. They are saying that now a minute surgery has already taken place. The bleeding that was going on has now been controlled, and that is when, after some time, after recording the statement of the wife, kids and the house staff in a while, actor's statement will also be recorded. Doctor's statement has already been recorded by the Mumbai police.
Okay, important information there. A minor surgery was in fact conducted, and doctor's statement has already been recorded in this particular case. Shivani, request you to stay on with us. Let me go across to my colleague Nilesh as well for more on this. Nilesh, give us more details of the probe in this particular case. What more have you managed to gather? Who all were present in this house when this incident took place? Questions are also being raised because this incident happened at around 4:40 a.m. in the morning.
Well, absolutely shocking incident, and most important to the fans who are at the moment concerned about Govinda's health. We spoke to, Times Network spoke to the team of Govinda's, who mentions that how while cleaning the gun falls out of his hand, and this is when the revolver shoots one bullet, and which enters Govinda's leg, after which he was taken to the hospital. As of now, the bullet has been removed, the treatment has been done, and he is under a stable condition and is able to talk to his team, to his daughters. Now what we are learning through our sources is that Govinda was leaving to Kolkata to meet his wife, where his wife is residing at the moment, and this is when the incident took place. The manager also told us, the team of Govinda also told us that it was the daughter and the manager who were into Govinda's residence when the whole incident took place, and after it they took Govinda to the hospital where the treatment has been done. The condition is absolutely stable and he is able to speak, he is able to talk to his team members, but the probe is on. The police department has taken the gun into their custody, is now investigating the whole matter as to how this exactly transpired, that a revolver shoots itself after falling down. Was there no safety lock feature in place into this revolver is what the police is investigating. But a big sign of relief is that Govinda is out of danger. Even what we are learning that a huge amount of blood is what he has lost into this firing, as our colleague Shivani is also mentioning. But getting treatment on time is what has saved Govinda from a serious injury, which could have been a critical situation for Govinda. At the moment, big sign of relief that Govinda is stable and his condition is stable, and he might talk to the media in a short while.
Okay, so a statement is something that we can expect. He might talk to the media as well, you're telling us, but big news coming in that he's out of danger. You're telling us, Nilesh, that there was a lot of blood loss, but because he was taken to the hospital on time, he is currently out of danger. Can you also tell us a little bit about, why something like this happened at around 4:45 a.m. in the morning? Was he leaving for some place? I mean, what more details have you managed to gather? Because 4:45 a.m. is like too early in the morning, and many will ask, what was he doing with a gun at that point in time, and why was he cleaning the gun, if at all he was cleaning it at 4:45 a.m. in the morning?
Well, absolutely. Those are some doubts which we are waiting for official confirmation from Mumbai Police as well as team from Govinda. But what the primary information which we have retrieved from team of Govinda is that Govinda is habitual of cleaning his gun on regular basis, and while he was on his way to Kolkata, he was leaving from his Juhu residence towards Kolkata, and he was about to take a flight in early morning hours. This is when he was cleaning the gun and was putting into his locker into safety, and this is when the gun slips out of his hand, falls onto the ground, and this is when the revolver shoots one bullet which enters into one of his leg and thus injuring him critically. And at that particular moment, it was the PA of Govinda and the daughter of Govinda who were present at spot. Looking at his condition, they rushed to the nearest hospital where his admission was taken. He was admitted into ICU, and later the surgery was done. The bullet was removed, and the further treatment is underway. But big sign of relief is that he is out of danger even after losing all.
So he is out of danger. That's what you're telling us. He was leaving for Kolkata when this incident took place. Nilesh as well as Shivani, requesting both of you to please stay on with us. We have Raza Murad, who's an actor, also joining us on the broadcast. Mr. Raza Murad, good morning. Thank you very much for speaking with us here on Times Now. We all have got this very shocking news early in the morning today that Govinda was rushed to the hospital after he accidentally shot himself in the leg. Have you managed to speak with any of his family members or him?
Still, I came to know about it through the media that this incident has happened. It's very, very shocking and unfortunate because he has been entertaining the entire nation for the last 40 years, and especially with his magical legs, because he is known as the dancing star. So this incident is very, very unfortunate, and there is a saying in Hindi ke hone ko koi taal nahi sakta. So this had to happen as Amitabh was injured during the shooting of Oli in 1982. Accidents do happen, but a dancer who injures his leg, I do hope, I do pray that the injury is not permanent and he will recover fully, and he'll entertain us, all of us again. There is another saying in Hindi के दुआओं में बड़ी ताकत होती है. So the entire nation is praying for his speedy recovery.
Yes.
And I have done a lot of films with him. He's a very humble person, and he is an effortless dancer. So we would like to see him again in his old dancing elements.
Yes, absolutely.
So we can just pray for him for his speedy, complete recovery.
Absolutely. All prayers are with Govinda. Raza Baraji, appreciate you joining us here on Times Now and sharing with us your concern for actor Govinda. We are also getting to know, viewers, that he was shot. In fact, this incident happened while he was cleaning his revolver. But the piece of information from the hospital that we've gathered is that he is out of danger. Let me go back to my colleagues who continue to be with us at this point in time, Shivani as well as Nilesh. Shivani, to you now. Any sort of statement that you have managed to get, any official statement from the hospital so far? Because we are learning that the statement of the doctor in this case by cops has already been recorded. Police officials are probing the matter, and Govinda's statement is going to be recorded soon. Any clarity on around what time that could happen?
Well, as of now, the cops have informed us that the statement of the doctor has already been recorded post the surgery took place, and family will soon be releasing the statement on social media platform, and similarly they will be coming before the media to explain that how entire incident took place, and they will view the situation before the fans of Govinda. And similarly, the cops have said that they have taken the possession of that particular gun of the actor to identify exactly what transpired and what is the history of its usage. Similarly, how Nilesh was mentioning that the actor was about to leave to Kolkata, and that's why in the morning before leaving for his flight to the airport, he was cleaning his gun and similarly was preparing for his travel, and at that very time this incident took place, and now the actor won't be able to travel back is what the doctors have also confirmed. Though he's out of danger or the situation is not critical anymore, but still the injury remains the same after the surgery. Though the statement of the family, those are present, his daughter and the manager, those have also been recorded. The police have said that once the actor recovers after a short while, then his statement will also be recorded.
So once he is probably in a condition to speak properly, give a statement, you're saying that's when his statement is going to be recorded. Shivani, stay on with us. There's some more breaking news coming in.